Welcome back to the QuickBlox AI Agent tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to use intake forms to collect structured information before a conversation begins. Intake forms capture key details like name, email, and issue type to support your workflow. This helps your AI assistant deliver more accurate and personalized responses. It also enables smart routing, directing conversations to the right team automatically. When human handover happens, agents receive full context for faster, more effective support. To begin, open your AI assistant and click on the Intake Form tab. This is where you can enable the intake process and configure the questions users will answer. To activate the intake form, tick the Enable Intake Form option. Once enabled, users will be guided through the intake process before starting the conversation. Next, move to the Questions section and click Manage Questions. Here you can create the questions you want users to answer. Click Add New Question, type your question, and click Update to save it. You can add multiple questions depending on the information you want to collect. In the Instructions section, you can add special instructions to guide how the AI assistant handles the intake process. This helps ensure the intake flow aligns with your business requirements and user experience. You can also customize the greeting message that users see when the intake process begins. This is a great opportunity to welcome users and explain what information will be collected. You can also configure an ending message that appears after the intake process is complete. This helps confirm that the user's information has been successfully collected. You can enable the option to send a summary of the intake information directly in the chat after the intake process is complete. This allows both the user and the agent to review the collected information. If required, you can enable human handover immediately after the intake process. This ensures that conversations are automatically transferred to a human agent with complete user information. You can also configure a webhook to be sent after the intake process is completed. This allows the collected data to be shared with external systems such as CRMs, help desks, or internal workflows. Let's see how the intake process looks on the live website widget. When a user opens the chat, the intake questions appear automatically. Once completed, the AI assistant uses the collected information to begin the conversation with full context. In addition to intake forms, the Analytics tab provides valuable insights into your AI assistant's performance. This tab displays a monthly graph showing total questions and unanswered questions. This helps you identify gaps in your knowledge base and improve your AI assistant over time. To review unanswered questions in detail, click Generate Unanswered Questions Report. Once the report is generated, click the Download button to save it. This report helps you identify missing information and improve your knowledge base. Remember to regenerate the report regularly as new conversations occur. With intake forms and analytics, you can collect structured data, improve response accuracy, and ensure seamless handover when needed. You have now learned how to build, customize, deploy, and optimize your QuickBlox AI assistant. From creating knowledge bases to enabling human handover, triggers, and intake forms, your assistant is now fully equipped to provide a complete support experience. Thank you for following this tutorial series. If you have any questions, need assistance, or would like to learn more, please contact us at help@quickblox.com. We look forward to helping you build powerful AI-powered experiences.